How is it that so many Jamaican men like to beg women for head, cry for head? They will do anything for head except giving it back to the woman. Make it make sense to me. This has been going on in Jamaica for way too long, and it's something that we need to talk about and address at the very direct moment. When the woman asks for it, the man turn Rasta instantly. Fire! Me no deal with that. Me no depend that. How will you take man for? Or he might con out the woman and say, next time babes, or something. But rest assured, he is not doing it back. And that's unfair games. Don't get me wrong, you know. I'm not here to promote that a man should start bow out to a woman. I'm not here to promote that a man should start going down and do all these things. No, that's not what I'm here to do. I want you to listen to my speech keenly. If you want a woman to go down on you, why don't you want to go back down on that woman? That's unfair games. If you want it, you should be able to give it back to that woman. It's only right to play fair. You want the woman to bow out, but you don't want to bow back out. And some of these men are some of the same people who will go on the road after begging and beseeching to that woman and crying to that woman for head. Some of these men, even after they don't return the favor to that woman, they are the same men, you know, who will go on the road and disrespect that same woman. Call her Boaz. Call her whatever girl. So it's just not fair. If you want the woman to go low, you need to go low as well. It's simple and plain. The same way how you want her to indulge in those nastiness, you should indulge in it too. Tell me something. What makes you as a man better than that woman and not wanting to giving it back to her? She should just crawl on her knees for you, but you should not crawl back on your knees for her. It doesn't make any sense. And it's unfair games and it needs to stop. A Jamaican man will say, yeah man, me love when girl give me head. Master, me love head and me can't do without it. But when asked if they return the favor, them say, no sir, me not do that. Me no depend that. Me not bow and no girl frack. Me not no bowers, me not nyam out and no girl frack. That is unfair. Let me repeat again. I am not here to promote a man going down on a woman. But if you want it from her, you should give it back to her. A lot of Jamaican men believe that it's manly to receive, but weak to give back. You can't want the nastiness, but don't want to do back the nastiness. And ladies, my thing is, if you as a woman give a man head, you should know that you're getting it back. Do not let a man play unfair with you. I'm only telling people who are about that lifestyle that you should be getting it back once you're giving it. From early in the Jamaican culture, it is promoted that oral is a sin. But then you have man in the DMs, a big woman. You have man begging and beseeching to women for that thing because they love it so much. The woman want to love it too. You want the woman to commit that sin, but you're not willing to commit back this sin. Make it make sense to me. You either find somebody who's about that lifestyle with you, or two persons who are not into that lifestyle, like myself, find somebody who is not into that lifestyle. But once you want that one to do it, rest assured, no questions asked. You should be doing it back too. Man them, if you want the head, you have to meet back the woman halfway. Because when you don't meet her back halfway, that's why a lot of women out there stop putting out effort back into their men. That's why a lot of women out there get so frustrated. That's why a lot of women out there will step outside of the relationship. Because you're getting everything you want, but you're not giving her everything that she wants. My message to Jamaican man, if you want to receive it, you have to be willing to give it back. A lot of men like myself out there who is not willing to give it back, don't even bother to ask for it anymore. But I think it's unfair. So if you want to receive it, be willing to give it back to the woman. Sex is not a one-way street. It's a two-way street. You cannot want to be pleasured, but then the woman is left unpleasured. It doesn't make any sense. You either give it or you don't receive it from the woman. Comment and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is Raw Talk with T-Dog. Like and share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.